Can artificial intelligence hold the key to solving complex criminal investigations? This question is becoming increasingly relevant as we witness the rapid growth of AI technology. Once a concept limited to the realms of science fiction, AI is now an integral part of numerous sectors, and its influence is notably transformative in the field of criminal investigations. Artificial intelligence is proving to be a game-changer in forensic analysis. By analyzing vast amounts of data in record time, AI enables forensic experts to identify patterns and connections that might otherwise remain unnoticed. In the realm of crime prevention, AI systems are being utilized to predict potential hotspots of criminal activity, aiding law enforcement agencies in proactive measures. Furthermore, AI is instrumental in identifying crime patterns, thereby assisting in the apprehension of serial offenders and helping to prevent future crimes. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI, it's crucial to understand its applications in real-world scenarios. AI is not just a concept, its applications are already transforming the world around us. Let's dive into some real-world case studies where AI has been instrumental in solving intricate criminal cases. In one notable instance, a law enforcement agency leveraged AI to locate a serial offender. By feeding the AI system data about the locations, times, and nature of past crimes, investigators were able to identify patterns that had previously gone unnoticed. This led them to predict potential future crime spots, ultimately resulting in the offender's capture. In another case, a forensic team used AI for DNA analysis. Traditional methods would have taken weeks to process the data, but the AI system was able to analyze it in a fraction of the time. This significantly expedited the investigation, leading to a swift resolution. AI has also been employed to predict criminal activity. By analyzing vast amounts of data, including social media posts, local news, and crime statistics, an AI system was able to forecast potential hotspots for crime. This predictive policing allowed law enforcement to allocate resources more efficiently and prevent crimes before they occurred. Furthermore, AI has a growing role in facial recognition technology. In a recent case, AI was used to identify a suspect from a blurry CCTV footage, a feat impossible for the human eye. These cases demonstrate the transformative power of AI, offering a glimpse into the future of criminal investigations. AI's role in criminal investigation is not just about solving cases, it's about transforming the entire justice system. To recap, we've seen how AI's forensic analysis, crime prediction, and pattern recognition abilities can revolutionize investigations. It promises quicker, more accurate resolutions, fundamentally altering the justice system's efficiency and effectiveness. It's not just about solving more crimes, it's about creating a more just society. As we continue to explore the power of AI, it's clear that its impact on criminal investigations is just the beginning.